This hidden veggie sauce pasta recipe is quite popular online and my latest favorite. It's easy to cook and tastes heavenly. You can pack in a lot of vegetables in it and no one will know. My folks love it and so will you. Subscribe to my channel for easy, tried and tested recipes. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. For this recipe, we are going to use 4 medium-sized tomatoes, a largish zucchini, and I have 2 red carrots, 3 small red onions, half yellow and half red bell pepper, and a whole garlic. While my oven is preheating at 180 degrees, let me quickly cut the veggies into thick and chunky pieces. I have lined my baking tray with aluminium foil and I'll start placing the vegetables into it. Get rid of the seeds. Peel the carrots. Trim the ends and just slice them into thick discs. The zucchini, thick slices. The onions. The garlic, I'll just cut it in half. Let me clear the board. Use some very good quality extra virgin olive oil and drizzle over the veggies. Season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Give them a nice rub so that they are coated with the oil. That's ready to go into the oven. Bake at 180 degrees for 40 minutes and check at the 30-minute mark. I just got it out of the oven and it took me about 42 minutes to cook the veggies. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, share your feedback in the comments and I'll get back to you. Just take off the skin from the garlic and see how nice and soft they have become. Just pinch them and you get garlic paste. Take a mixer jar and add the garlic into it, followed by the rest of the vegetables. Add in about 50 grams of paneer and about half a cup of milk. Blend this. That looks nice and smooth. Cook the pasta in boiling hot water. Season with salt. Cook them as per the packet instructions. Once the pasta is done, just drain it and reserve the pasta water. Heat a pan alongside it. Add in the vegetable puree. For one portion, pasta water goes in. So the amount of vegetable puree or vegetable sauce should be good enough for 4 portions of pasta. Add in the pasta. Toss well and bring it back to the boil. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning if required. That's extremely flavorful. I'll just add in a bit of salt. And that's ready for plating. I have some fresh basil with me, and all I'm going to do is tear them up. That way they'll get bruised and release their aroma. Mix them. Here's a tip. You could use this extremely flavorful paste of vegetables to make an amazing soup. Serve it right out of the pan. Sprinkle cheese on top. Basil leaves make it look pretty. Serve it hot for any meal and enjoy.